Hi there, I'm Sava and I'm the founder of Klip Coupons. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up cart page banners to help incentivize your customers on the cart page. This is the same principle that Amazon uses on their cart page to help motivate users check out. The idea is that once a coupon has been clipped on the product page and the users on the cart page, they can see the coupon there to help incentivize their purchase. In today's video, I'll show you how to set that up on your Shopify store using Klip Coupons. By default, once a coupon is added to the user's cart, as we can see here, we get a coupon label. We'll need to enable a setting in the Klip app to see the full banner here. Now, first thing we'll do is head over to the Klip app and we'll go ahead and click on Settings. And in Settings, we'll go ahead and click on Cart Page. Now we have the option here, Applied Coupon Label. We'll go ahead and enable that. And we can see a preview here. It'll say the coupon is clipped, and then we can say save 15% or whatever amount that discount is. And we can edit those settings here. So for example, if we want to change the color of the font, we can do that here, change that. If we want to change the font size, again, change the different variables of the font. Or if we want to change the text here, we have a placeholder, which is the amount, and that'll automatically pull from the discount. But if we wanted to say, for example, coupon clipped, this product, for example, we can go ahead and do that. And then once you've selected your text, go ahead and click Save. Now we'll go back to our product here and go ahead and apply that coupon, add to cart, and view cart. And now we can see the coupon label on the cart page.